Hey, what's going on guys? In the previous video we have seen what is a statement is. In this video we are going to see what is a negation is. Okay, negation. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we have a P and the negation of P is going to be like this. Let's say this is negation of P. Actually the sign should be opposite side like this. Okay, so this is the negation of P, or we can also say not P. Negation of P, or we can say not P. Now let's see how it works. So there's something called truth table. For P there are two possibilities. This can be true or this can be false. Okay, now let's look at the negation for this one. Negation of P is going to be opposite. So if P is true, negation of P is going to be false. And if P is false, the negation of P is going to be true. So this is exactly opposite, right? Now let's look at a general example. Now first let's say if P is equal to every person on earth hates Nickelback. Every person on earth hates Nickelback. Okay, now the negation of this one is going to be at least one person on earth does not hate Nickelback. So this is the negation for this one. So at least one person on earth does not hate Nickelback. And I leave it to you to decide whether this one is true or this one is true. And that's how the negation works. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.